unboxing small electric space heater that I had to buy from Quill.com because you can't get these in stores. That's right, some things you can't get in Walmart. So this arrived in about 4 days and I'm unboxing it for the first time right now on video. One of the first things you'll see is in Spanish. Calentador portátil de radiador yendo por petróleo. Which means it's filled with oil. There's the English version of it, in case you think I bought the wrong one. So we don't need the box. 700 watts, which is a good amount. You don't want to burn so much that you can't have more than 2 high wattage items on the same circuit, so medium wattage heater is a pretty good solution for me, what I'm trying to do here as far as conserving energy. Notice the easy open box, as long as you've got the key. More information on the box. 120 volt AC, do not use outdoors. Yeah, a lot of extra stuff there. Now we're getting to the styrofoam packing. Pull out the feet. The feet are loose. Looks like they have simple screw down application. So power cord, make sure it doesn't get caught up on anything. Slide down the box. We got an operating manual, which is always nice to have. In English, por favor. So we have that. A couple pages of information there. Basically how to stick the feet on. How to set the thermostat, and service instructions, even though there's really no servicing this, and a warranty. There's no warranty card yet. Put that with the box. Very nice. You can fit this under a table or a desk or an end table in a guest room. See, part of it goes here. So we can just go ahead and assemble that right now. Snaps right into place. And this one seems to line up on one of the fins. I'm gonna see if we can put it on this fin. I'll put on this fin though. Go. Seems like you just snap it in. And it's there, held in pretty much by gravity. On-off switch. Dial for temperature. You can hear it clicking. In between the clock ticks. There's your basic Optimus Mini Heater, oil filled, for very efficient distribution of heat in a tight place. Okay, so that's the Optimus 700 watt mini space heater. I like them. Get a bunch of these and distribute them around your house and you'll save a lot on energy bills throughout the winter. If you like this video, be sure to take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell for notifications. And let us know if there's another topic you'd like us to make a video about in the future.